The Thompson submachine gun, often called the Tommy gun, burst onto the scene in the early 20th century. Designed by John T. Thompson in 1918, it was initially created for World War I, but the war ended before it saw action. Its iconic design and rapid-fire capability quickly made it popular with gangsters during the Prohibition era. Imagine the Wild West, but with machine guns. The Thompson became synonymous with organized crime, appearing in films and even in the hands of police during the Great Depression. It fired 45 ACP rounds and had a distinctive drum magazine that held up to 50 rounds. Its legacy is mixed. While it was a symbol of power and rebellion, it also represented lawlessness. Today, the Thompson is a collector's item, an iconic piece of American history.